Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn one more Laravel package in this session, Laravel Sentry. Laravel Sentry basically works on your applications and show all the exceptions in good dashboard. Also shows suggestions how to fix that issue. And Sentry also notify via email as well, so real-time watch on your applications. In this session, I'm going to cover how to install, setup, and use this package. And before installations, I want to show you something. You need to log in into the Sentry.io, and you need to create one projects from here, create one project and then go to the issue and then start installations. Here installation step also given, but you need to set DNS and when you fire this command, but in this step they give you already set and you just need to fire that command. So I'm going to install this package in my Laravel application and show you how Sentry works. Package installed through the composer. So let me open terminals and fire this command. Composer requires Sentry Laravel version 4.10 installing in my these Laravel applications. Successfully installed in my this project. And next, and I just need to copy this and fire this command for set up the config and DNS into the env file. And let me show you into the editor. Here is config file and basic all configurations given here. You can change it based on your requirement. And here Laravel Sentry, this token is set and trace sample rate set by that command. Now I'm going to show you how this error capture by the Sentry and show you into the this dashboard. So let's fire this command. This command basically create one error. So that error captured by this Sentry and send into the here. And you can see it's 11 second ago. And when you click on the issue, you can see full details of the see exception generated. This is test exception sent from the Sentry, and you can see here. And a Sentry also send email as well of this error. So let me show you. You can see here project name, environment, error, and full error trace here. So real time any error you want to see, you can also set up Slack as well. So you can get real time error when your production user using application get some error, you easily know some user getting this error and you can fix it. So this is good package and you can use it, and it's very easy to set up, easy to use, and you can get real-time notifications of any error getting on production and any other environment. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel.